Meaning of Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast. Gold Coast is a coastal city located in the southeast corner of Queensland, Australia. The name Gold Coast comes from the golden beaches and the gold rushes that occurred in the region during the 19th century. Today, the Gold Coast is a popular tourist destination, known for its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife. It is also home to several theme parks, including Dreamworld, SeaWorld, and Movie World. The city has a diverse population, with a mix of local Australians and international visitors. Overall, the Gold Coast is a lively and exciting place to visit and live.